Welcome. I would like to present to you my 3-volume textbook on androgenetic alopecia or male pattern baldness. Starting with Volume 1, this reference volume conveys complete understanding and management of androgenetic alopecia and female pattern hair loss, which is the female counterpart of androgenetic alopecia. These are probably the most common adult health disorders besides dental caries, accounting for over 98% of hair loss cases in males and over 70% of cases in females. This present volume, the first of 3 related volumes, is structured in 4 sections. There are 22 dedicated chapters, which range from basic science, biology, anatomy, physiology, and embryology. Then we move to the etiology of adult, childhood, and adolescent androgenetic alopecia and female pattern hair loss, all the diagnostic steps for a correct and precise evaluation, and the related disorders and comorbidities. For the first time in the scientific literature, all pathogenic contributors of androgenetic alopecia and female pattern hair loss, including microinflammation, scalp vascularization, biochemical stress, aging, solar radiation, and sebaceous gland, all are examined in comprehensive and dedicated chapters. In addition, the effects of every hormone in androgenetic alopecia, as well as the psychological impact of the condition, are explored in depth. Also, for the first time, there is an extensive chapter on childhood and adolescent androgenetic alopecia, which is a more common disorder than previously thought. And this is another unique feature of this textbook. Finally, 2 extremely detailed sections are included on the pathogenic links of androgenetic alopecia to life-threatening comorbidities such as cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome, hypertension, insulin-resistant and prostatic disorder, with the suggested guidelines on how to save lives of balding patients by adopting early screening strategies. This textbook provides a fully updated, thorough guide to this so popular topic, and it is richly illustrated with more than 200 figures, tables, and algorithms. It offers the latest evidence-based information on every aspect of androgenetic alopecia and female pattern hair loss, which cause hair loss to countless patients. This handbook will be invaluable. It conveys best strategy standards to readers, whether experienced practitioners, clinicians, dermatologists, surgeons, or researchers interested in hair restoration. I sincerely hope that you find my work useful, and I suggest that you visit my website in order to see the details of Volume 2 and Volume 3 of androgenetic alopecia from A to Z.